Welcome back to ArrayBlog once again. So today we are going to build a fun project, a number guessing game in C. And this is simple but a powerful way to practice loop and conditions. And now we'll see. So what we'll do, first we'll understand how it works. So what we'll do, we will ask a computer to generate a random number between 1 and 100, and then user has to guess the number. The guess is too high, we'll say the number is too high, and if the guess is too low, we'll say number is too low, right? And otherwise we'll say congratulations, you have guessed the right number. And we are also going to give them a maximum 10 number of attempts, right? So that user can guess at least maximum at least 10 times, right? So I've created a file that's a guess.c. So I'll include here first we are going to include the library. So we'll say hashtag include stdio.h. This is our standard input output function or library. And this is the next one. We are going to say include stdlib.h, right? So what it does, it basically generate a random number and exit, right? The third one we are going to say, we'll say include, and we'll say time.h. So time.h here, basically what it does, it helps us to seed the random number and generate so that each, each time whenever the program run, result will be different, right? Now we are going to declare our main function. So this is our main function, right? And so the main thing here we have to remember, we need three things. First is the secret number that computer will generate, and the second thing is the guess that the user are going to guess, and the third one is the attempts, how many times there has entered the number, or we can say how many times user has guessed the number, right? So we will declare three variable first. So int, then we'll say secret number, and then we'll say guess, and we'll say attempts, and we'll say 0, right? So secret number at initially is going to 0, and guess will be also 0, attempts will be also 0, right? Now what we're going to do, we are going to seed some random generator, right? We'll say s rand the time 0, and we will add the semicolon. Now I'll say secret number equals to, I'll explain the what does the first line and the second line. So random, and I will say modulus 100 plus 1. So here the sran time, this line, right? It seeds the random generator using the current time. And then this line, the secret number, it generate a random number between 1 to 100, right? So till now we have generated a random number, but user doesn't know that we have generated a random number. So we have to tell the user that we have generated a random number. So we'll write a message here. We'll say printf. Say first we'll welcome. So we'll say welcome to the number guessing game, right? And then we'll say printf. I have chosen a number between 1 to 100, and we'll ask, can you guess? Can you guess it? And we'll add backslash n everywhere in every line so that message should print in a new line, right? Now, yeah, we have to add the semicolon. Now we told the user two things. First thing is the welcome to the guessing game, and the second thing we have told the user, I have choose like the we have chosen a number between 1 to 100. Can you guess it? Now we have also tell the user that you have maximum 10 attempts. So we'll say printf. We'll say you have a maximum of 10 attempts and we'll add backslash n, right, and semicolon. So till now we have generated a secret number, we have selected a secret number, and we have passed the user a message that welcome to number guessing game. And we also said that we have selected a number between 1 to 100, 1 and 100, in between 1 and 100. Can you guess it? And we also told grid the message to the user that you have maximum 10 attempts. Now the main thing start. We have to check the number. If the number is too high, like if the guessing number is too high, uh, from the secret number we'll say too high. If the guess number is too low, we'll say number is too low. Otherwise we'll say congratulations, you guess the number right in that particular number of attempts, right? So what we'll do, we are going to use here a do while loop. So we'll say do, yeah, and then we'll say while, right? So this is the syntax of do while. So if you don't know how to use do while loop, go check out my C programming tutorials. I've explained everything over there. Right. So we are going to say printf. First, we're going to say enter your guess number. Here we will ask user to enter your guess number, and we'll say, yeah, enter your guess number, and we'll take the user input. We'll say scanf, and we'll say percentile d. This will not be here. Percentile d backslash n. No, we don't need backslash in here. We can say dollar yes. It is showing error because we forget here to add semicolon. Now we are going to check if guess is less than secret number. We'll say too low. We'll say if we'll say guess is less than secret number, we'll print some message. Else, if we have to check again that if guess is greater than secret number, right? So we have to pass some message again. Otherwise we'll say else, and we'll say printf. We are going to say congrats, you guess the right number in percentile d attempts, and we are going to pass the attempts. Yeah, and don't forget we have to pass the message here also. So we'll say printf, we'll say number is too high, and I will copy this, and here we'll say number is too low. Yeah, we'll say number is too low, right? So till now what we have done, let me explain. We have declared three variables: the secret number, guess, and attempts. We have seed the number to secret number, generate a secret number. We have generated a secret number, and we also greet the user that welcome to our game, and we have chosen this number, the secret number. Can you guess it? And we are here also asking the user to enter the number so that we can check if the number is too low or too high, or it's the exact same number. But one thing we are missing here, we have not told it how many times you have attempted. So we'll say if attempts equals to 10 and guess not equals to secret number, right? So if user has attempted 10 times and user has not guessed the correct number, so what you're going to do, you're going to pass a message printf and we'll say sorry, you have used all 10 attempts, and we'll add semicolon. And one more thing we are going to do, we are going to reveal the secret number. So we'll say printf. So we'll say the secret number was, say, percentile d \n, and we'll pass the secret number and we'll break this, right? We have to add here semicolon. Yeah. So this will check attempts, right? And one thing we are missing here, because we are not increasing the attempt. Suppose one user has entered the attempt one time, then it should increase +1 and it will go till 10. So what we'll do, we'll add attempts here. So we'll say attempts plus, right? So it will keep increasing the count. So first time it will say 0, then it will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 10, right? And we are asking user to do our code to do this while the guessing number is not equals to secret. Guess is not equals to secret number, right? And we'll return 0. So let me explain one more time. This is the standard input output library. This is for the generating random number, and this is for the is the number, right? And this is we have declared variable, the secret number, guess, and attempts, and this is going to be a secret number. This will generate a secret number. We greet the user here, and we'll ask the user input, and then we have checked the, like, if what number user has entered, what is it, exact number, is it low or is it or high, and we are going to keep increasing the number here, attempts plus, so that we can check it here. And if attempts equals to 10, we'll say you have used all 10 number, and here this do loop work until the guess is not equals to secret, right? So what you're going to do, we are going to compile it, and we'll see gcc guess.c -o, we'll say guess. So it's a print, we have used print somewhere. Yeah. So let me clear this, and so we have compiled this. You can see it here, guess file. Now we're going to run it. See, so it's a welcome to number guessing game. I have chosen a number between 1 to 100. Can you guess it? And you have maximum 10 attempts. So I will enter 20. So it's a number is too low. Enter your guess number. I think let me close this first. We have to add \n everywhere so that there will be no confusion. Let me add this here also, and here also, here also. Let me compile it again, and let me run it again. So I've compiled it and run it. So it's a guess your number, I'll say 20. So it's a number is too low, guess number. So we'll say 40. We'll say it is also saying number is too low. We can say 60. And this is a 1, 2, 3. And we can say 50 and 31. So by mistake I have entered this one. So it like it's a number is too low. enter your guest number and it says sorry you have used all 10 attempt and the secret number was 72. So what you'll do, you'll run it again so that yeah, I'll say 20, I'll say 39, say 43, I can say 76, I can say 89, I can say 98, I can say 90, I can say 93, I can say number is too high, it's 99, and I can say 97. Yeah, so it's a number is high and sorry you have used all 10 attempts. So the secret number was 91, and that's it. You have just created a number guessing game in C. And this project basically taught you about the condition that we have checked here and the loop here, right? And user input, how to take user input and generate some random number. But so that's it for the today. But we can make it a nice GUI so that user can feel it. So write down in a comment if you want a project, this guest project with the GUI, so that user can enter and user can feel it. Right? We will create a GUI rather than writing in a terminal, right? So that's it for the this project, the guest.c project. Write down your favorite project and what kind of project you want me to build, and put down a tutorial here, right? So that you can run it and you can see it, right? And also write down in a comment if you want to see the this project with the nice GUI, right? So see you into the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.